Hello folks, welcome back. So I'm back underneath the old mobile home here today, and I've got some plumbing work I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what's going on down here. So here we have a main 3-inch line that comes from the back of the home there. You can see it comes through here and down that way, and we have a coupler right here. And this is coming from the bathroom in the back, which is the ensuite bath. And so you can see it's dripping there. It's dripping down on the plastic and running out on the plastic and out this way. So I'm going to have to fix this. I can't leave this like this. You know, when you go to sell a home, which this one will be eventually sold, we always have a home inspector come, and they will come in here and they'll see this, and it will have to be fixed. So I'm gonna have to cut that coupler out of there, that one right there. I'll cut that out, and I will put a new coupler in with some new glue, and we'll fix that. And then down here, I'll just get on the other side of this crib. We have got something that's one of those what were they thinking things. And so, you know, I've got some things here to fix it. I've got some glue, I've got some couplers, got my saw, more glue. You know, I've got some pipe, picked up a piece of pipe here. But we have a crazy thing here. Never seen this done. But what they've done here is in the main sewer line is they drilled a hole right here. You can see this hole. So I've already taken this pipe out, but here's one here. Did this again. Okay, so we got this right here. It goes up to a rubber hose, and this goes up inside the mobile home. This one, where did this one come from? This one came from dishwasher. So what they had was a hose just like that on the other side here. They had a hose going out here and up into the kitchen to drain the dishwasher. There's another one way down there. I don't know if you can see it, just above that timber that's going across. That one went to a water conditioner. It was the brine tank drain. And so they drilled this hole like this, and then they stuck the pipe in there. And then you can see the stick that they used still here with plastic cement on it. Okay, so they just gobbed plastic cement around this to close it up. All right, that's not the way you do this. First of all, you know, there's no traps. Okay, so meaning that, you know, any sewer gas that's in this pipe can go up this pipe and then into the room. In this for this pipe here, this pipe actually goes like right into the furnace. And sewer gas is explosive. So not a good thing. You know, you need to have some kind of a trap to, you know, like a water trap to keep the gas from going back into the home. So the dishwasher has a kind of a trap. You know, in the water sits in the bottom of the dishwasher, so it makes it a little bit harder, you know, for it to for gas to get past that. But still, like, not code at all. You know, they should have you know, done something differently. You know, in our climate, you can see all these pipes are all exposed, you know, which isn't a problem in our climate because you know, it's pretty warm here. You know, we do get some frost, but underneath here it would hardly ever freeze. So and also, you know, we've got some, you can see these supports, how they've supported this the pipe here with this wood. The next support where that pipe is leaking, it's not even touching on that one. Well, it is touching on that one, but the next one it's not. You know, and so that's, you know, it's supported to, you know, give it this grade. And so the proper grade for this is that for every foot you run with the pipe, you got to drop it 1/4 of an inch. That's the way the sewage drains. We definitely have that, no problem. But up at the front, we've got, I'll show you up here on the front pipe. I love crawling around underneath these things. That's my favorite thing to do. All right, so here I get a little bit closer into this T. So the way this works is, you know, the main pipe is coming all the way from the back there. You can see it there, all the way back, comes underneath this timber, and then into this T here, and then from here it goes down into the park's sewer system. And so here we've got the pipe coming from the front bathroom. All right, so this is that other pipe here. You can see they got a hose clamp on there, and you know, just Mickey Mouse how people do things like this. But you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that front piece of pipe has got a pretty good belly in it. And so we're going to want to try and do something with that to take that belly out. So I'm going to be adjusting the supports in here and just cleaning this up so it's all, you know, nice and neat and tidy and well supported. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So stick around, folks. Oh yeah, and something else I want to show you here is, you know, where these two pipes come here and they meet at this, we call this a T, and here it goes down. So on the top of this, you can see there's a cap, and this cap unscrews. You can unscrew this. So if you get a stoppage of some kind, then you know, they can undo that cap and, you know, use a snake or something to clean it out if you get something stuck in the pipe. Also at the end of each of these long pipes, the one going to the back there and the one at the front, at the far end there on each pipe, there's a similar cap, so that if, you know, something got stuck in the pipe here, then they can open up the cap at the end of that pipe and then, you know, put a snake in there to clean it out. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start here. And this is a special saw that I'm using for this. It's a special saw for cutting plumbing pipe. You don't have to have a special saw. Yeah, pretty much any saw will work, but I have this one, so I'm going to cut this off here. Crooked. Hard to keep straight when you can't really see what you're doing. Oh, it's pinching on me. Okay, so that's one way of cutting it. Easier way would be to use my Sawzall, and I might do that as I carry on here. But so basically, you know, I've got to get these parts that I want to repair out of here, and then I'll start fitting in the new. So yeah, I won't take you along for all of that. It's kind of boring, and so as I get a little further along here, I'll show you how it's going. All right, so that was the coupling right there that was leaking, and so you saw me cut that out, and so I've just put in a new coupler there, and that's not leaking anymore. And then this section here, between this coupler and that one there, is where we had those two cuts for the hose, those two hoses, and so I removed that section now, and I put in a section that has got no holes in it. And then I just, you know, put some little extra supports here and lined everything up. So this is all fully supported now along here. So I think we're good with this one. And now I'm going to go on the other side and fix that other place where we got that other hose. And I'll just show you the chunk that I took out of there. So now that it's out of there, you can see a little bit better what it was. All right, so yeah, this is just goofy. So here you can see it. That's the piece that I took out, and here you can see the, you know, that hose that came from the that's the condensate hose off of the air conditioner. And then this was another hole that I already pulled out the hose. That was for the dishwasher. Yeah, crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna go underneath here, and I'm going to, where is it? Yeah, over here. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this hose here, which went to that water conditioner thing that was in the hidden room that I showed you before. It was the drain for the brine tank. So there you can see I've got a piece of pipe and two couplers, and I got my saw and my glue, so I'm all ready to just get this done. All right, stay tuned, folks. Alright, so I've got this piece of pipe cut out. This is the one with that hose on it, and that was in here. And so now that I've got that cut out, I will be placing this coupler on here. It's called a coupler. It's for joining two straight pieces of pipe. So I'll do that one there, and I'll put this one here. Okay, and then I will cut this piece here to fit in between, to fill that gap there. And the glue we use for this is this is ABS pipe that we're using. A lot of you people will have PVC drain pipes, but here we have ABS. That's the code for us, and the ABS is this black pipe. The PVC pipe will be white. But what you have to do first is you have to clean the pipe. So you apply this cleaner, and this is just a clean solvent solution, and there's a little dauber in there. I can't get it open, but it's just a little dauber in there, and you just go in and, you know, just go daub it around, and it cleans and softens the plastic. And then once you do that, then you use this this ABS cement, and this is a yellow cement. If you were using PVC, you'd have to use a different cement, but this is all ABS, and this is what glues it together, and just basically welds the pipe together with the glues. All right, and there's the finished product. So yeah, there's our T, and so there's the coupling that I installed, short length of pipe, and the other coupling. So now, you know, that section that had that hose coming out of it is gone. So we got this all tidied up underneath here, and I'll show you the pieces that we took out one last time here. Okay, so all together, you know, this is the junk that I took out with all these crazy hoses and stuff. That's gone. So that cleans that up. That's another little job that's finished. So next up is going to be my main water line. So that'll be the next video, where I'll show you how I'm going to relocate this main water line, which is coming in underneath the kitchen sink now. I'm going to move it across and bring it in by the hot water tank, and then I'm going to be installing heat tape on it and insulating it, and I'll show you how that's done. Give you a sneak peek here of the heat tape. This is the box showing the heat tape, and so, you know, we're getting close to winter here, so these are all nice little jobs to start, you know, get taken care of, and This is a lot easier to do this now for me, you know, with the skirting off. It's much easier to get underneath there than to, you know, crawl in an access hole someplace and then all the way through there in the dark. So yeah, just trying to get as much done as I can. And thanks for watching, folks. I hope you learned something there. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Well, lots of videos coming on the work we're doing to this old mobile home here. And if you want to follow along with us, hit that notification bell and you'll get notified when we put up a video. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button once. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice. All right, folks, see you on the next one. Bye bye.